Men over 50, if your nights feel restless, your mornings start weak. Our manhood no longer responds the way it once did. You need to hear this because what I'm about to tell you may shock you. The problem isn't your age, your hormones, or even your heart. It's something much simpler, and it can be fixed. There is one overlooked vitamin taken at the right time of night that can help your body reignite potency, restore vigor, and bring back deep, peaceful sleep. All without pills or prescriptions. I'm Dr. Mohit Kara, a board-certified urologist and men's health specialist with over 30 years of experience helping men restore their strength, confidence, and performance naturally. I've worked with thousands of men who thought their best years were behind them until they understood how the male body truly heals. Here's the part that surprises most people. The key to harder erections, stronger energy, and deeper sleep isn't found in testosterone injections or fancy supplements. It lies in a simple nighttime nutrient that your body depends on. One that regulates your hormones, repairs your blood vessels, and resets your internal rhythm as you sleep. Tonight, I'll show you how this single vitamin, when taken correctly, can transform your nights into the most powerful hours of healing your body has. You'll understand why timing matters, how it fuels testosterone and blood flow, and the simple nightly ritual that can restore your confidence and vitality faster than you imagine. Stay with me because in just a moment, I'll reveal the exact vitamin that can help men over 50 reclaim their energy, their sleep, and their manhood. Before we begin, if you haven't already, take a second to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss another science-backed tip designed to help men over 50 regain their strength, vitality, and confidence. And if you find this message helpful, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0 and let me know how I can make this content even more valuable for you. Now, let's get to the root of the problem. Why do so many men over 50 lose their strength, energy, and firmness even when they eat well and exercise? The answer lies deep inside your body and silent changes to your hormones, blood flow, and nightly repair cycle. Section 1. The real reason erections fade after 60. Section 1. The real reason erections fade after 60. When I sit down with men in their 60s, they often look me straight in the eye and say, "Doc, I'm doing everything right. I eat healthy. I walk every day, but I just don't feel like myself anymore." They say their energy is gone, their drive is low, and their erections, well, they're not what they used to be. And when I hear that, I always tell them the same thing. It's not a sign of weakness. It's a sign that your body is quietly asking for help. The truth is, after 60, your body begins to change in subtle but powerful ways. Your testosterone, the hormone that fuels your energy, confidence, and sexual performance, naturally declines. At the same time, the blood vessels that carry oxygen and nutrients to your heart, brain, and yes, your penis begin to stiffen and lose flexibility. You might not notice it right away, but over time, this makes it harder for blood to flow where it needs to. And when blood flow slows, everything else does too, but here's something most men don't realize. Your ability to have a strong erection is directly tied to how well you sleep at night. Deep sleep is when your body rebuilds testosterone, repairs blood vessels, and resets your stress hormones. If your nights are restless, your testosterone can't recover. When testosterone stays low, your energy drops, your libido fades, and your blood flow weakens even more. It becomes a loop, a frustrating cycle that drains your confidence day by day. You wake up tired, your motivation slips, and even your mood changes. Suddenly, you're not just fighting physical fatigue, you're fighting emotional exhaustion. But none of this means your best years are behind you. In fact, what I tell my patients is this: your body still remembers how to be strong, how to sleep deeply, and how to perform like it once did. You just need to remind it how. And that's where things get interesting, base. New research shows that one simple vitamin taken at night can help break this cycle completely. It can help your body repair while you sleep, boost testosterone naturally, and restore the very circulation that powers your erections. So before you blame age or accept decline as inevitable, stay with me because in the next section, we're going to uncover the surprising nighttime connection between sleep, testosterone, and potency that most men have never been told about. Section 2. Section 2. The night connection between sleep. Night connection between sleep, testosterone, and potency. I can't tell you how many men I've met who believe their energy and sexual strength fade simply because they're getting older. They assume it's inevitable, something that just happens with time. But when I sit across from Eamon in his 60s or 70s, I often ask him one simple question: how are you sleeping? And almost every time, Hezai shrugs and says, "Not great, doc. I wake up 2-3 times a night." That's when I know what's really going on. See, your body is built to heal at night. When you fall into deep, uninterrupted sleep, something remarkable happens inside you. Your brain sends a signal to release luteinizing hormone, which tells your testes to produce testosterone. This surge happens mainly in the first few hours of deep sleep. The kind of sleep where you dream vividly and your body feels completely still. That's when your body restores power, repairs tissues, and resets your mind for the next day. But when sleep is shallow or broken, when you're up at night worrying, checking the clock, or making multiple trips to the bathroom, that entire rhythm falls apart. Your testosterone areas is cut short. Your cortisol, the stress hormone, stays elevated and your body never fully recharges. It's like trying to charge your phone on a frayed wire. The battery light flickers, but it never reaches full power. Over time, that half-charged state becomes your new normal. Low energy, low desire, low performance. I've seen it countless times. A man comes into my office feeling exhausted, blaming his age or his relationship. But what's really happening is hormonal chaos caused by poor sleep. The nights are when the body repairs the very systems that keep a man vital. The blood vessels that carry oxygen, the nerves that transmit sensation, and the hormones that drive desire. Without quality sleep, none of those systems can do their job. That's why restoring sleep isn't optional. It's essential. When we protect your sleep, we protect your testosterone. When testosterone rises, energy returns, mood lifts, and blood flow improves naturally. It's all connected. Your nights are not just for rest, they're for renewal, and here's where it gets even more fascinating. Because one specific vitamin taken at the right time of night can synchronize this entire repair cycle, allowing your body to produce testosterone, restore circulation, and strengthen potency while you sleep. In the next section, I'll reveal exactly what that vitamin is, how it works, and it could be the most powerful ally for every man over 50. Section 3. Section 3. The science behind the night vitamin. The science behind the night vitamin. When I tell my patients that one simple vitamin could improve their energy, sleep, and sexual performance all at once, they often look at me with disbelief. A vitamin, doc? That's it? And I smile because I understand their skepticism. After all, most men have been told that regaining vitality after 60 requires complicated treatments or expensive medications. But sometimes the most powerful solutions are also the simplest ones. And the truth is, this particular vitamin isn't just a nutrient. It's a hormone in disguise. I'm talking about vitamin D. Most men think of it as the sunshine vitamin, something that keeps their bones strong. But what they don't realize is that vitamin D controls far more than bone health. It influences testosterone, mood, blood circulation, and even sleep. Your body needs it to activate hundreds of genes that affect how you feel, how you move, and yes, how you perform. When vitamin D levels drop too low, it's like turning down the dimmer switch on your entire system. Energy fades, motivation disperses, and blood flow suffers. Here's what science shows. Studies have found that men with healthy vitamin D levels have significantly higher testosterone than those who are deficient. It's also been linked to better endothelial function. That's the smooth inner lining of your blood vessels responsible for producing nitric oxide, the very molecule that makes erections possible. When those cells are healthy, blood flows easily. When they're not, even desire can't make up for the lack of circulation, but vitamin D's influence doesn't stop there. It also plays a vital role in mood and sleep regulation by interacting with the brain's serotonin and melatonin systems. That means when your vitamin D is low, you don't just feel tired. You feel flat, restless, and disconnected. And unfortunately, by the time most men reach their 60s, nearly 70% are redeficient. It's not because they're doing anything wrong. It's because the skin's ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight declines with age. Add indoor lifestyles and medications that block absorption, and it's no wonder so many men are running on empty. So when I say that one vitamin can change everything, it's not marketing, it's biology. By restoring this simple yet essential nutrient, you give your body permission to wake up again. Testosterone production improves, blood flow strengthens, and sleep deepens. It's like flipping a master switch that powers every system, tied to male vitality. But here's where it gets even more interesting. When you take this vitamin at